One of the greatest skills that you can have in life is the ability to stay cool under pressure, which can be extremely hard to do when you're getting grilled by the boss. Or when Mother Nature has other plans and decides to go scorched earth on you. So there are, of course, a couple of options out there already. You could carry around a little pocket fan like this, which is very bulky, very noisy, and definitely not discreet. I've also seen small fans like this with a neckband that kind of rest around your neck and blow cold air at your face. Once again, those are not very discreet and they're not very stylish, and they're also quite noisy. And that is where products like this from Sony come into play. This might just be the world's greatest ever personal air conditioning unit. The technical name for this is a wearable thermo device sensing kit. It is of course called the Reon Pocket Pro Plus, and I have actually tested out an earlier version of this when I was in Mexico checking out the pyramid at Chichen Itza, and whilst everybody was sweating and trying to stay in the shade, I was casually just walking around super cool and super chilled until the battery ran out. And that's a little bit of foreshadowing about some of the upgrades that Sony have made here. So there was a version of this released last year, and that one was much more powerful than the one that I was using, and I was already impressed with that. And this one boasts 20% improved cooling in comparison to that one. So here's how this works. This slots down the back of your shirt and then hooks on around your neck like so. And as you can see from the front, it really is quite discreet, especially when you put the little bands under your collar. And if you're wearing a business shirt or something like that, it's going to be even more well hidden. So the Reon Pocket Pro Plus is designed for localized nervous system relief, and it actively cools you down or warms your body up from a very strategic focal point located at the base of your neck. And that sense of cooling runs right down your spine and actually cools your entire body, brings down your core temperature, and as you can see, it's barely visible. So this thing's really been designed for those hot and sweaty commutes to work, stuffy and humid workplaces, and this is really tailor-made for anyone that needs to wear a business suit or dress smart on a daily basis. And like I said, because this thing can also warm up and cool down, it could be extremely useful for you all year round. And who knows, maybe it could even make you a better employee. So let me give you a guided tour of this very unique design from Sony. So Sony's secret to keeping the Reon Pocket Pro Plus invisible comes down to two major structural overhauls compared to the previous one. It's got this ultra low profile neckband, and Sony say this new redesigned neckband style provides approximately a 40% increase in structural holding force, which should help prevent the device from slipping during walking or light running or other light physical activities. And they've also very cleverly redesigned the physical vent that avoids blowing warm ambient air and uses active thermoelectric Peltier modules to drop the cooling plate's surface temperature by an additional -2 degrees when in smart cool mode. So yeah, this thing is very, very cool. The Reon Pocket Pro Plus also features a high-grade stainless steel SUS 316L stainless steel cooling and warming plate, which has been purpose-built to withstand prolonged skin contact. The entire device has this nice subtle light grey colour to it. It's also designed to be moisture resistant, so when it is under your clothing, even if it's extremely hot, it's not going to get damaged by sweat and moisture. At the base, you'll notice this little slit. This is where the Reon Pocket Pro Plus can suck all of that heat out of your shirt and eject it over the top at the back. And there's also an optional attachment that comes with it in the box. So if you are wearing a shirt like a Elton John style one or something like that, you can in fact just easily switch out the little vent. And of course the Reon Pocket does support an app. We're going to come back to that in a minute, but there's also physical controls on board. So you've got start, stop and power here. You've got mode switch. On the other side, you've got a smart button. We're going to come back to what that does in a minute. And you've also got manual controls to lower or raise the temperature that the Reon Pocket Pro Plus is operating at. You might think because this is around the back of your neck, you're not going to be able to find them easily, but actually Sony have done a really good job of making these buttons easy to find. And likewise on the opposite side, so the plus button to raise the temperature up is raised, so you know that's that. And the minus button is concave, so you can tell straight away just by touch which buttons you're pushing. Near the base of the device is this little door here. This is for charging the device. And Sony have really designed this to be a very comfortable device. Even that little angle there that you can see on the cooling plate, when you put this on, it really rests very comfortably. And even the material that they're using here on the neckband is super soft. After a little while of wearing it, you just forget that it's even there. And another good use case for this extended vent is if you are wearing a jacket and you want to extract the heat from that jacket, this can actually elevate the exhaust even further, and this actually articulates, so you can adjust the angle so that you can further improve the amount of ventilation that you're getting. And I can tell you right now, this is a powerful little gadget, and because it's so powerful, you might assume that the battery life will probably suck. Well, more on that in a moment. And this thing is seriously quiet. It is running right now. I can just about hear it. Let me see if I put the mic right next to it, if you can hear it. I'm going to blast it to the maximum cooling setting. Let's see if you can hear it. Can you hear anything? Now, there is a key component that allows the Reon Pocket Pro Plus to work more efficiently. And since we're talking about efficiency, Sony has streamlined this device and made it hyper efficient. It can now run dynamically with the smart mode for up to 15 hours, which is more than enough for most people's working hours. Although I have put in some 17-hour shifts here on the channel in the past. So yeah, nearly good enough for those editing days. And check this out, even when you lock it in to continuous high set at level 4, 5 is the maximum, it can still run for up to 10 hours, which does mean you get 10 hours of uninterrupted chill. Unlike me here in this YouTube studio, because the damn robot vacuum keeps going off. Now, while there are other warming and cooling devices out there, there is a problem that they run into on some occasions. For example, let's say you're walking down the street, you're going to work, it's blazing hot, and as soon as you walk in the building, it's super cold because they're blasting the aircon. Those other devices might continue to try to cool you down even though you're now in a much cooler space. Well, Sony's Reon Pocket Pro is much smarter than that, and that's where this comes into play. But before we talk about that, first, you need to know a little bit about the app. So this is Sony's Reon Pocket app, available on iOS and Android. This connects to the Reon Pocket Pro Plus over Bluetooth LE, that's Bluetooth Low Energy. And it's this app that works alongside all of the precision sensors inside the Reon Pocket Pro Plus to adapt to your body temperature in real time, which does mean if you go from a very hot place to a very cold place, it's not going to continue to blast you with that cold sensation. It recognizes your target temperature, it'll assess your body temperature, and then gradually bring it in line to where you want it to be. All right, now let me give you a little walkthrough of what the app can do. So as you can see, my target temperature is set quite low, indicated by this blue gradient. If you want to adjust that, you just go to options here and you can switch between the levels of coolness, and that will set the baseline right there. And now the Reon Pocket will detect my skin temperature and adjust to that temperature. And if you go to manual, you can actually choose the level of cooling that you want. Now, if you go back to the smart feature, let's say you live in a place where sometimes it's very hot, very cold. In the same day, you can actually go to this setting right here, and this allows it to warm up and cool down. And let's say you live somewhere very cold and you just want it for warming, you can set it to this one here, Smart Warm. It's the opposite of Smart Cool. Again, you set your desired temperature and it will do its best to keep your body temperature right where you want it to be. And here's an interesting Sony fact. Their first ever product was a rice cooker and it wasn't very good. So Sony pivoted from that rice cooker and used the components to make these little pocket warmers, which were actually good, and they sold loads of them. So in a way, you could say this product right here is Sony going back to their roots. Anyway, back to the video. There's also Smart Start Stop, which means that when the device detects that you are at the right temperature, it can switch off to save power and then switch back on again when it detects that you're starting to warm up. And Sony have evolved their algorithm when it comes to how it does this, and it's now more efficient than ever. All right, let's talk about this little game changer right here. This is the Reon Pocket Tag 2. It is a more evolved and more efficient version of the original Pocket Tag. So this works alongside the app and the sensors already on the Reon Pocket Pro Plus. Think of it kind of as a little external thermometer, but it doesn't just check temperature. It can also sense humidity, and it talks to the Reon Pocket Pro Plus so that it can further adjust, not just based off your skin temperature and the temperature under your clothing, but also in line with the external environment. And Sony have made some significant improvements here compared to the one that I used to use. It's now actually 18% smaller, and they've added this carabiner clip, which makes it much more secure when you attach it to a bag or backpack. With the previous models, they just kind of had this little clip on the back and it wasn't the strongest, so I was constantly worried about losing it. And with this one, that's not going to be the case. So if you want to get better at handling the heat and staying cool under pressure, and especially at work, the Reon Pocket Pro Plus will definitely help you handle that heat. It is $199 on release. There may be some deals out there. I will have affiliate links below this video if you want to check those out. And one of the best things about this solution is that you can still dress cool and stay cool at the same time. And I'm not sure you can say that about a lot of the other solutions that are out there right now. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, a little thumbs up would be appreciated. If you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.